All right, boys and ghouls, hold on to your broomsticks and rev up those cauldrons because we're conjuring a dish so spellbinding it's scary how good it is. Today we're making what I call the Franken dip and vampire repellent sticks. That's broccoli and cheese dip and garlic bread for you muggles. Let's get this spooktacular feast started. Ingredients, or should I say potion components. For the Franken dip, 1 haunted forest of broccoli, just 1 head, but make it eerie. 2 cups of mummy wraps, shredded cheddar. 1 cup ghoul guts, cream cheese. Half a cup of bat milk. Regular milk will do, but make bat sounds for effect. Half a witch's eye. A regular onion, you drama queens. 2 cloves of vampire vanquisher. Minced garlic. Salt and boo pepper. A sprinkle of devil's dandruff, paprika if you dare. For vampire repellent sticks, you want 1 wand of carbs or French garlic bread, half a cup of poltergeist potion, melted butter, 3 cloves garlic of the damned, 1 teaspoon cursed greens, parsley flakes, and a dash of spectral salt. Instruments of culinary witchcraft: cauldron, baking dish, haunted frying pan, unholy mixing bowl, deathly cutting board, and then your infernal oven. How to whip up this devilish dish? You have phase 1, creating the Franken dip. Crank up your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. It should be as hot as the devil's dance floor. Saute your witch's eye and vampire vanquisher until they're softer than a ghost bottom. Add the haunted broccoli forest and cook until it's greener than a seasick zombie. Time for the ghoul guts. Stir until it resembles the blob taking over a small town. Toss in the mummy wraps, bat milk, salt and boo pepper, and devil's dandruff. Stir until combined and slightly menacing. Phase 2, crafting vampire repellent sticks. Slice the wand of carbs as if you're carving a jack-o'-lantern. Mix the poltergeist potion, garlic of the damned, cursed greens, and spectral salt in a chalice or a bowl, whatever you choose. Anoint each bread slice with this bewitched butter blend as if you're banishing the evil spirits. Phase 3, the final incantation. Pour the Franken dip into your cauldron, cackling. Optional, but highly recommended. Line up the vampire repellent sticks on a cursed stone tablet or just a baking sheet. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the dip is bubbling like a witch's brew and the bread is crispier than a dried bat wing. And voila! You now have a broccoli and cheese dip and garlic bread that are not just treats, but tricks for your taste buds. This dish is so good it might just raise the dead, or at least your spirits. Smash that like button like it's a zombie head and tell me what you're dressing up as this Halloween down in the comments. I would love to hear. Wishing you a hauntingly delicious Halloween. Stay safe.